pop the, there's an upper cowl and a lower cowl. So you need to pop the upper cowl off. Loosen these, 1, 2, 3. Just loosen them a little bit for this side panel right here. And you'll be able to get the lower cowl off when you do that. 1, 2, 3 screws. To the side. Same thing. Got a pick. There's a special screw under this little molding. You just stick that pick in there. Just get in the corner so you don't damage anything, you know? Pull it right out. That's what she looks like. Special screw holds her. Same thing over here. Get in the corner, you pull that out, and then slide it this way. Comes right out. Right? Now, we are at 1, 2, 3, right? Now this, aside from the front, is pretty free. It's almost ready to go. The way this piece works, we need to get this piece out. Now the way this piece works is on each side there's 2 knob and grommets, and they go inside, so your angle to release them, it's kind of like an outward pull. Right, so what we're going to do is just push the middle in just to get a trim tool in there, right? And we get that first one. We're going to do the same center push and just push that top clip out. It happens, but you know what? It landed on the back of the piece. That's what's important here. There's 3 Phillips screws. One here. This one you're going to need a stubby for, and then one on the other side likewise. But what I'm going to do is just... So, you get the lower cowl off. Boom, there's your oil filter right there. Back around to here. You're gonna go right here. Let's see if I can get you a really good shot there. Yeah, right there, 17mm drain bolt. I'm gonna do the draining, and I'm gonna tell you that the oil I use for my Goldwing is Mobil 1 4T. Now, when I switched over to that, it was a significant difference. I was actually shocked. So that's what I'm going to be putting in this. And I'll show you the bottle momentarily. Alright. This is the one I use. A little pricey, but the action it gives me on my wing is incredible. Everything just feels so much better now.